In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text and image watermark in Google Slides. This can be a really useful feature if you're looking to add a layer of branding or simply want to protect your work from being used without permission. So let's dive right in and get started with these steps. First, let's open Google Slides and navigate to the presentation where you want to add the watermark. If you haven't already created one, no worries. You can always start with a blank slide. Now, keep in mind that a watermark is usually an image or text that's meant to be visible, but not too intrusive. This means you'll want it to remain in the background without distracting from the main content of your slides. Once your presentation is open, click on the Insert tab visible in the upper menu of Google Slides. From the drop-down menu, select either Image for picture-based watermarks or Text box if you're going for a text-centric approach. Start by inserting your chosen element into the slide. If you're using an image, you can upload a picture directly from your files, or you can even search the web through Google Slides to find an appropriate one. After inserting your image or text box, you'll want to adjust the size and position on your slide. Typically, watermarks are placed diagonally or at the bottom of the slide, but this really depends on your preference and the design of your presentation. Now that your watermark is in place, it's essential to adjust its transparency. This step ensures that the watermark does not overpower your slide content. To do this, click on your image or text box. A toolbar will appear. Select the format options from here. For images, go to the Adjustments section and slide the transparency bar to the right to make the image less opaque. For text, you can adjust the transparency by changing the color to a lighter shade or by applying a transparency effect from the text options. For those of you aiming for a consistent look throughout your presentation, you might want to consider adding this watermark to the master slide. This action automatically applies the watermark to every slide, saving you time and effort. To do this, go to the Slide menu, select Edit Master, and insert your watermark here. This way, it becomes part of the template, ensuring every new slide contains your watermark by default. And there you have it. You've just created a watermark for your Google Slides presentation, giving it a professional touch while maintaining a level of protection. Remember, the key is subtlety. Make sure the watermark enhances and doesn't distract. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to leave a like or subscribe for more helpful tutorials.